The whole process is data-driven. There's three main data sets. We have facial scanning, we have intraoral scanning, which is scanning of the teeth and gingiva, and we have cone beam computed tomography, or CBCT. All those data sets are different, and they have different file types and whatnot, and they all get fused together to give us a virtual patient. The facial scan really helps us to look and see how the teeth are positioned in 3 dimensions against the face. In terms of predictability, what we see on the screen is generally what we get in the mouth. There's added educational value. Instead of using our hands to tell the patient what we're doing, they can see on a big screen in 3 dimensions that's rotated around and see themselves, and they find this to be, really enlightening, educational, and there's less anxiety throughout the entire process because they can see what they're going to look like.